Hi, it's Rodger with Best Trailers here in Byron, Georgia. We're fixing to take this T75 John Deere tractor and show you how to load it on this down-to-earth 26-foot hydraulic tilt. These come equipped with a 10K jack. It also comes with a solar panel so that you never have a battery problem. Okay, we got the trailer tilted up. Now we're fitting to pull the tractor up on there. This is pretty simple to do. It looks a little bit higher than what it actually is, but the tractor has no problem at all on it. And now we're up here. All you gotta do now is let the trailer down. Everything's on here. The mower is on here. There's enough room for the bucket. This is 26 foot. It'll haul this entire tractor and everything. I guarantee this to be the easiest loading trailer that we got. We've also got goosenecks and other tilts that'll haul this tractor just as well. I've got 24 foot goosenecks all the way up to 40 foot. Now we're going to show you how to tie it down. All right, we got our straps laid out here. We're going to put 2 on each tire, one pulling forward, one pulling backwards. We're going to do that on the front and the back. If you look right here, I'm going to show you the proper way to attach the strap to the trailer. Go down through the side rail, come back up through. And now you've got it double. They go through your wheel. We'll do the same thing on the back. You can come through your rub rail straight into your stake pocket. Then go through the wheels to the other side. Now we're ready to do the other side. We're going to do the same thing basically over here. We're going to come through the wheel, come through the bottom of the stake pocket, come back up, hook it on. We'll do that on the front and back. Now go to the other side and tighten down the ratchets. Ready to tighten the ratchets up, just pull your slack out. Get it good and snug. Do both of them equal amount of times. Then do the back also. Now we got it all strapped down. Got to tie up our extra strap. Now you should be good to go with 4 straps on this. We'll put one more on our piece of equipment on the back, and then we'll be ready to go down the road, and DOT shouldn't bother us. If you need to find anything or have any questions, call Best Trailers, Byron, Georgia. We'll be more than glad to help you with anything we can help you with anything you need.